For leg joints movement, I am sitting in Dandasana. Back should be straight. Place your palms on your knees. Now we'll start with toe bending. Bend and stretch. Bend, stretch. Repeat 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Now we'll do ankle stretch, stretch back, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll rotate our foot clockwise for ankle rotation 5 times. Keep your legs straight, firmly on ground. After 5 rounds clockwise, then repeat anti-clockwise 5 times. Now we'll do knee bending. Lift your right leg and place your fingers underneath your knee. Bend your knee, exhale and stretch. Inhale, exhale, bend, inhale, stretch. 3, repeat 5 times. 4, last 5. Place your leg on mat. Now repeat with left leg. Bend, exhale, inhale, stretch. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next is knee rotation. Lift your right leg up and rotate your knee clockwise. 5 count. 3, 4, 5. Direction change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat the same with left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Direction change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is hip stretch. Place your right foot on your left thigh. Inhale, push your knee down and exhale, bring it closer to your body. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Repeat it 5 times. Now hip rotation. Rotate your hip joint. First clockwise. Your foot should be fixed. Only rotate your hip joint. First clockwise, then direction change. And repeat the same 5 times in both the directions. Repeat it with your left leg. First hip stretch. Press your knee down and lift it up. Press your knee down, lift it up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Repeat 5 times. Then hip rotation. 5 clockwise. 5 anti-clockwise. Rotate. Joint movements help to increase mobility, flexibility and strength of your joints, and also good for those who are not able to sit comfortably in padmasana and vajrasana. Relax for a few seconds. Next we'll do butterfly. Join your foot together and bring your heels closer to your body. Clap your knees up and down. Repeat 10 to 20 counts. Next, sit in vajrasana by pressing your knees towards the ground. Hold your foot with your hands. Keep your back straight, eyes closed. Sit comfortably in vajrasana as long as you can. Thank you.